Hi guys, and welcome to our channel, and we are here to do unboxing and installation of this tempered glass for iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is made by EGV, and let's open this box to see what's inside. Oops, this way. Alright. Okay, so they also included the stickers for iPhone, so this is nice. And okay, another one. So stickers or guides. You can see here they include three pieces of screen protector for your phone, and for the camera lenses. So three, and so here is 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Alright, so it's already there. They already put this here. Okay, let's set aside what's not needed. This one, installation kit. So aside from having limited lifetime warranty, they have 3 screen protectors. Screen protectors are always damaged through time of use. You will also replace it maybe after 2 months, 3 months, depending how it holds up. So let's set this aside, and this. So these are 3 basic things that we will need on installing this screen protector for the screen and for the camera. The first thing to do when you're doing any installation of screen protector is to wash your hand with soap and water to remove some oily residue of whatever you touch before doing this. And make sure you clean your desk and dry up your hands. So here, the first screen protector is already installed. So I think I should show you how to place it properly for the next screen protector. So let's remove this. Okay, so it's like this, and let's just remove this sticker. That sticker is this one. When you're on your second time of installing your screen protector, the sticker should be placed here first. There's a guide, so no problem on how to install it. Let's see. Place it here correctly. Okay, and this is just to hold the screen protector. So this is the sticky part or side. If you're confused, you can take it off for the meantime to see where's the sticky part. So here, it's going this way. It should be placed this way, so that when you put your screen protector, it's the part where it should be sticking. And then, so you can see here at the side, there's a screen guide. So you should put it carefully. Make sure that it's not overlapping those edge. It should be inside, and it's very easy to have a mistake. So make sure you put it correctly. Okay. So this is placed correctly. Don't mind those space. But what's important is these corners, this edge. And at the bottom, So okay, now we can proceed with the next step. And the next step is to open this installation kit. Dust it up, and then this one alcohol pad. We provided 3 also. We need 1. Let's use. We have to wipe our iPhone with alcohol wipes. You wipe the screen first. I always wipe the side. Wipe it also. Then use the microfiber towel. Double check. So I can still see a speck of dust. I'll use this dust absorber. I think those dust came from the microfiber towel. We'll proceed with this one. Okay, and then put it here. It says wait 10 seconds. So press it here and here. Okay. Okay. Alright, so now we can remove this sticker. Aside. So yep, and remove this guide. Okay, you can see some bubble here. You can use your also here. Right now you can use your wipe to remove some bubble. So you can see here I use this stand or this guide so that I can hold it and it will not wobble. So I place my phone here with this guide and push outside all the bubbles. Check. So it's very easy, especially even if you're a first timer to use this. It's easier with this guide. I mean this screen protector guide. It's easy to align it properly. Okay, so check if there's a dust that came in while you're installing. You can always lift this side or lift the screen and use this dust absorber to remove the dust. Or yeah, this can be removed and then reinstall. But don't remove all the way. You can remove just, for example, your dust is somewhere here. Remove it until you have the access of the dust, and then use this dust absorber. Next on our list is camera lens protector. I still have my alcohol wipes here. Wipe the screen, also this side or this part, and then okay, so wipe it off, make it dry, and then you can use the dust absorber also here, just in case. Right, so you can now remove this and make sure you align the hole of this hole that we need to align. Okay, I will remove it now. So since this is hard plastic, I think this is easier to install. This screen protector have the hole already, so it's not that hard to align. So very easy. Okay, use this one to wipe the screen. Yeah, you can see I used this camera with the flash, and it's not affected by the screen protector. We will try if this one will fit, because we have to start first with this side. Wow, it works perfectly with the ESR. Alright, so this is a perfect pair. Yeah, iPhone case with a screen protector and the camera lens protector, which fits with the hole provided by the ESR. If you want this kind of protection, everything works well. Alright, so your investment is protected, but still you have to take care of it, like avoid dropping it as much as possible. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.